ka youth wing jong ka seng san perthai Trinamool Congress ha ka pratring mentau banai kala pulong ka jing Shah Thngan bandawa ya artri ki mat jongki kini ki Samla klei thu ba ka daw ba ka ba kila pulong ka ni ka jing Shah Thngan ka dei ba ki kwa ba ka sarkar jalla kan pen baha wat pen ben ha ka bei dei bar ka puli ka puthi bar ka wei par ka dei ba ka rukam thung kam kan long ka ba shai bar ka ba khoin.
Our hunger strike today is being organized by concerned students. Now I thank all of our members here, all my friends who are, have been here hungry. We are standing in front of a restaurant, so we've been seeing people coming in and out this whole time. In the rain, we've just been standing here demanding for two things: for a better management of our education spectrum and for transparent recruitment system.
So if you can tell us how long this hunger strike will go on?
This hunger strike is the first step towards our. This hunger strike is the first step towards our aim for these two objectives. So this is step one. Step two will come soon, and that's why we are calling forward for all the concerned students of the state. Please join us. Please come be a part of us, because we are here, even though all of us here are from Trinamool Congress, we are here as concerned students of the state. We are all Khasi, Jaintia, Garo, we are all here. We are residents of the state. We are concerned. We are here beyond the party actually. You can see in the hunger strike also, this banner, we have not kept any political symbol. Why? Because we are trying to unite all the youths to fight for justice. For so long we faced injustice. How many times have we applied for jobs? Since 2018, for 20-30 jobs we've applied. Till date, no exams. We've paid all the exam fees. Till date, no exams. What is this, yeah? We cannot accept this anymore. When our Honorable Chief Minister already declared that there are 200 vacant posts in the police department in the assembly. When another group of concerned students had their protest near Kyang Nongba statue, the Honorable Minister called them to Secretariat, and the Honorable Minister told them that there are 800 vacant posts. Where are the rest 1200 posts? Backdoor entry. It's an open secret backdoor entry in our state. That's why we are demanding a more transparent recruitment system. And the rules and regulations of such are already there. In the UPSC, SSC, it's applicable. We demand that MPSC also applies the same rules. That there should be a fixed date for every exam, that the marks of the students are out there in the public, and what are the criteria for grading in the interview system, in the interviewing process. All these things have to be out in public. Then we can get a more transparent recruitment system. For how long will we just sit and accept injustice being done to us? You can no longer fool us. As the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister said, they'll just fool us. For every 5 years, they just fool us. No longer you can fool us, because our parents have worked so hard for us. They've given everything for us. They've sacrificed for us. That's why we will no longer accept these leaders like the Deputy Chief Minister to fool us anymore. No longer. We will stand for our justice.